wow, this is nice. Just doing some things. Hey man, I see you press those buttons. Okay guys, we are approaching the island of Ireland.
Not that
Oh my god, it's so beautiful out here.
Hello there, sunny boy.
Oh! Hey, why'd you do that?
According to the radar, he's going to the bottom of the ocean.
Oh no. Guys, I'm over here! Please help! I crashed in my own boat! Ah! What? Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't think he's okay, but, okay then. That I feel it. Oh my god, it's getting lower. Oh my god, guys! Please help! Are you over there? Ah!
Now their boat should be tipping.
Oh no, the boat is sinking!
Oh my god! Ah, the boat is sinking!
Guys, I'm over here! Come on, it's a safe spot over here. Oh, hi. Hi. Hey, I'll meet you at the island, okay?
Perfect timing. Hi, Leo.
What are you doing?
I wonder when the next boat's coming. Let me go check. That one's sink. Oh my goodness, is that a person? Hey, you, get away. Listen, get away. Come here. I wonder when the next boat's coming. Hey guys.
According to the radar,
you got
he's going to the bottom of the ocean.
Sorry.
Hey, man, you'll be dead as... Hey, you fucking dead fish.
We'll just get you. Like.
Oh, wait.
We'll get you a spear. We'll get you a spear.
She'd be like, oh my god, is that a person? Can you make babies with me? I love silence.